Welcome back. Social activist Tara Kerkar has demanded justice to Usha Mandrekar. Few days back, Usha was allegedly assaulted by her neighbor Devidas Kashinath from Bicholi. She was brutally beaten with a bamboo stick. Bicholi police registered a non-cognizable offence against Devidas. Tara has demanded that a FIR should be registered against the culprit and a mere non-cognizable offence isn't enough.
देविदास म्हणता तेणे फाटी बरोबर एका दाणो मारला बेश्टे उबे रावल्ले असताना दाणो मारला आणि तेका आपुणूच वचून पुलीस स्टेशनाक कंप्लेंट दिल्या तेजी फाट इतली काळी निळी जाल्ली आसा आणि पुलिसांनी तेजेर कांयच एक्शन घेवंक ना आमचो डिमांड आसा की ही केस फक्त एनसी जायना ही एनसी न करता FIR करपाक जाय म्हणून कित्याक तो अचानक येवन तेणे मारला तेका अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर करपाच्या प्रयत्नान तो आसलेलो.
Usha Mandrekar of Bicholi was allegedly assaulted by Devidas Kashinath. When Usha approached the police, they filed a NC against Devidas. Usha has threatened to approach the court if FIR is not filed against Devidas.
ती फक्त NC दिवन बायलांक कांय खबर नासतल्यांक दिशाभूल पुलिसांनी करचें न्हू म्हाका जाय त्या PI ताबडतोब तेजेर FIR करपाक जाय म्हणून आज ही बायल इनोसंट आसा हिका मारले हिका कांय खबर ना कितें करूंक जाय ती घरांनी जो घोवन आसलेलो घोवन आसतना ही सांजची घोव येयल्या उपरांत पुलीस स्टेशनार वतात त्या म्हणसर आत हे सुजले वयल्यान पुलिसूच एका तापयता पुलिसूच एका दादागिरी करता आणि तुका भितर उडयतलो म्हणटा.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Now news from sports. Pailan Arrows scored a famous 2-0 victory over Dempo Sports Club in the I-League on Saturday. The AIFF's developmental side humbled the 5-time league champions in their own backyard to shock the Goan Giants. This was Dempo's 5th defeat on the trot and has ended their title defence. Pailan led by a goal at the half-time interval.
Dempo came into this match after having suffered 3 consecutive defeats, something that the 5-time league champions had not experienced in the last decade or so. They were in for a shock as Pailan Arrows got a goal in the second minute itself.
Have the opener! They've looked threatening right from the opening whistle, Pailan Arrows. And they've got their just deserves. Holly Charan, who just toe-poked it. Punish. Should have really been a yellow card, to be honest. Owen George, coming from deep. Good ball, cut out though by Nicolau. And Peter Carvalho brings Dempo forward. Coco is in there. Given a good account of themselves, the Arrows. Milan. And there is Holly Charan. He's back on the field and doesn't seem to be. Oh, that's across the face of goal. Away with it. Coco dispossesses his man. Can he get a shot away, Coco? Still Coco. Anthony Pereira pushed away by Sanyan Roy.
Dempo finished with 10 men as Creso Antao was sent off in the 54th minute.
Was it Cresson? I think passes. There's one of the Pailan Arrows players is down on the turf, but Dempo are playing on. Anthony Pereira, John, and a great save. And here's danger for Dempo. Still Dempo, oh! And Owen George with the second for Pailan Arrows.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Oxford Marine will clash with Goa Police on Sunday in the finals of 12th All Goa 2020 tournament organised by Sanghae cricketers. Oxford beat Amardeep while Goa Police defeated Warriors in the semi-finals on Saturday at SCG ground Kursade.
Warriors won the toss and elected to bat first. Tushar Sawant was their top scorer with 39 runs as the Warriors went on to make 159 runs in the allotted 20 overs. Goa Police all-rounder Sahil Duri picked up 5 wickets and then made a half-century to take his side to victory. Vittal Naik was the top scorer with 53 runs as Goa Police achieved the victory target in the 13th over, losing 4 wickets. In the other semi-final, Oxford Marine beat Amardeep by 24 runs. Chasing 157, Amardeep could only manage 132 runs.
इस बार गैप नहीं निकाल रहे ड्रोन भाई, यही बात हम कर रहे थे कि फील्ड पर असलम से बैकफुट करेगा इसको हल्के से पुश किया बॉल विठल नाइक पहले ही खेला इसको बहुत ही तेजी से बॉल 4 रन के लिए
Our reporter Mayur Naik from Kuchari.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.